what makes people lean in when you speak? It's not just your words, it's your pitch. Most people end their sentences like this, like they're asking for permission. But when you drop your pitch at the end like this, you sound certain, grounded, credible. It's subtle, I know, but it's powerful. So the next time you're sharing your story, pitching a client, ordering coffee, land your sentences like you mean it. Low pitch, high impact. And hey, if you're an introvert like me, this trick, it's a game changer. Follow me for more ways to speak with quiet confidence. Until next time, keep leveling up your presence.